In this video, I'm going to show you how to add an inventory item in QuickBooks Desktop. Now, the first thing you have to do, you want to go to List, top left, and you want to click on Item List. In here, you want to go towards the bottom left and click on where it says Item, and you want to click on New. Now, in here, you can then go ahead and select the type and switch over to Inventory Part, and this is where you basically have to put it in. So here, we have the item name / number. I'm going to name this one, for example, Ergo Chair, like this, and then you can make it a sub item of something if you want. You can add in the manufacturer's part number, you can put it into a category, stuff like that. I'm just going to leave it like it is. You have unit of measures, you have description, stuff like that. I'm going to do like for example Ergo chair, and I'm going to do like for example EPC 001 black or something like that. So it's up to you. And then you have the cost, you could put the cost in as well. I'm going to do like 40, and then you have a bunch of different things as well. So of course, according to whatever you're putting in here, it's going to be a bit different, and you also have to put in the income account. So I'm going to, for example, do this over here. It's up to you. The way you have it set up, you're going to have different options as well, of course. And then you want to click on the OK button up top right, and there we go. It's going to add it here inside the list. So that's how you do that. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.